If you're struggling to grow on Instagram and think that your page might be dead or shadow banned, then this video is exactly what you need, because I'm going to show you my entire game plan and tell you what to do in order to grow faster again and get viral videos. And in case you're wondering who I am, my name is Luke and I run over 20 Faces Instagram pages with 12 million followers combined, and I'm doing this on a daily basis. I've been running Faces Instagram pages for the last 3 years, and I've also helped countless of others get to tons, if not millions of followers. And just so you know that I've done it before, you can see over here that this page was losing like 8 to 10,000 followers every single month for like half a year straight. Over here, I stepped in and you can see that the page suddenly started growing again. 8,000 followers over here, 27,000 followers in a month, and last month it gained 17,000 followers. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. So let's go. Alright, so how can you revive a dead Instagram page? So you can see on the left, this is the page that I recently acquired. You can see that the views weren't really good, like it was like 38k, 16k, 20k on average basically. And the page was just losing followers and not getting any viral videos at all. Well, you can see over here, this was like 2 months later where we had 400k, 2 million, 300k. We just had consistent viral videos which allowed the page to grow fast again. Okay, so basically, first of all, what we just simply got to do is analyze the problem. And this is super simple, and I know a lot of people always talk about, oh, my page is shadow banned, that's why I can't go viral. But let's set it once and for all, okay? If your account status looks like this, where everything is green, you're not shadow banned, okay? If it looks like this, where limits to your reach is also green, you're not shadow banned. If it looks like this, where everything is orange, by the way, what can't be recommended and limits to your reach is the same. So if this one is green, you're not shadow banned. If this one is orange, you are shadow banned, okay? So if you're not shadow banned, your content just sucks. It's as simple as that, okay? It's no external factors, your content is just not good enough, and that's why you're not growing, okay? If you are shadow banned, you gotta wait for a maximum of 3 months because it will go away eventually. Usually what happens is that if one of your posts got removed and it didn't follow the community guidelines, you will get restricted for 3 months, but that will go away like literally every single time. So don't think that your page is gonna be shadow banned forever. So if you have a bigger page already, shadow bans are not typical, especially, you know, if you follow the guidelines, like it never happens, but it will go away after 3 months. So don't worry about that, okay? Now, if your content sucks, we gotta fix it, right? So let's get into that. So you can see over here that this was the state of the page when I acquired it. It looks really messy, like it was like constant different clips. The covers didn't look nice, always like different fonts, and just no like clear branding basically. While on the other side, this is what the page looked like after 2 months when I stepped in, and you can see that we had consistent views, we had really good branding. You can see that we always use like the blue in the headlines, we always use the same font, we always use the same content format, the covers look nice and well organized, and because of that, the page started growing again. So the most important things here are that you just have clear branding. Now, branding, of course, consists of a couple different things. First of all, what is really important is that you always have like the same headlines, that you have like your own brand colors that you always implement in your content, that you have the same subtitles, that you add a logo and a watermark to your reels, and that you just post about the same topics over and over again. You can see over here that it was just like a bunch of random put together reposted content, while over here it was all like business related content that people, you know, associate with business if they just simply look at it. And that's why it works. So it's all about the content format that you have and just consistency, okay? It's as simple as that. Now, I want to show you another example. So maybe this is your page right now. You know, you're struggling to get over 1,000 views. Some of them get like a couple hundred, and you know, you're just struggling to get your first viral video. And this happens for a lot of people, by the way, especially when you're just starting out. And it's completely normal, okay? Like, you're new to the game. Don't worry about it. It's very easy to fix. But just look at both examples. Which one do you think looks better and more organized and has more potential to go viral? If you say left, I don't know what's going on, but it's clearly the right one. So just look at the page over here. You can see over here some cooking clip. It's a dude like bungee jumping into a city over here. It's a nature clip. It's a motivational clip. It's just content. It's all over the place. Like always different fonts. The covers always look different. It's just a bunch of reposts put together basically, and that's why it looks super messy. While on the other side, this is my page called Virality. It's almost at 1 million followers right now. It's my second biggest page at the moment. Just look at the content. We have a super clear brand identity over here because we always use the same format for their content. Like we always use the same TV borders. We always use the same subtitles. As you can see, it's always in the same position as well. And we use the same clips. Like we always use like the Batman, Pink Panther, SpongeBob, like the cartoon movie style clips. And because of that, it works. And also, all the content that we post has the same message. It's always about like philosophy and relationships. So what happens is that when people see my reels, because they recognize it now, because I always use the same format, the same subtitles. They also know what the content is going to be about, because that's why they follow the page, and they recognize the content, so they know probably the message that it's going to have. And because of that, they're actually going to watch the piece of content, which, results in a higher watch time, and that results again in more viral videos. And if you don't have that with, your new page and your content looks like this, like the followers that you might have gotten already, they won't recognize your content. They don't know what it's going to be about. So if the content is bad, it's not going to work. Of course, if you have a super good hook, you can still go viral, but your followers don't recognize that it's you. And because of that, it's going to be harder to actually go viral. While, if you have it like this and people recognize your reels or your posts, they're instantly, going to be like, hey, I've seen this before, and they're going to watch it. And because of that, the chances of going viral are just infinitely higher. And that's one of the biggest cheat codes to just revive a dead page, or to get out of that 1,000 or 2,000 view jail that you think you're in. Because in the end, it all comes down to branding and content and posting about the same topic consistently, okay? So you can see over here, it was a bunch of random stuff put together. Over here, we had like a clear brand identity. We posted about the same stuff, and because of that, it started working. It's as simple as that, like genuinely. There's no magic cheat code. By the way, there is one actually that I want to go about. It's to recreate your most viral content. I know this is super obvious, and maybe some of y'all are doing it already, but so many people are not doing this. If you have a big page already and you've had a couple of videos with 1 million views plus or whatever, do this. You can see this video over here got 900k likes, 7.6 million views, and 32,000 followers. Khabib once said. 2 months later, posted the exact same reel, but just with some slight changes, like I'll get to that in a minute. Khabib once said, 1.2 million views, 155k likes, 2.5k followers from the exact same reel. Like, you can literally revive a page just like that by reposting your viral videos from before. Now, how can you exactly see that and which reels got the most followers? It's simple. Just go to your professional dashboard, go to followers, and go to content you've shared. You can see exactly which content brought you in the most followers. So you can see that this reel got 228k followers, this one 150k, 115k, 60k, 32k, which was the Khabib one that I showed earlier. And you can literally recreate your most viral videos again. Because think about it. People follow you for a reason. Like those 228k followers that I've gotten from here, they follow me because they like the message in this reel and they like the content. So if you're going to start posting random stuff again, like over here, that is not aligned with the reason why people follow you, they're not going to engage with your page and it's going to kill it. And that's why it might feel like that your page is dead, because you're posting the wrong content that people didn't follow you for. If people follow you for motivational content and you suddenly switch it to business content, they're like, I don't want to see this. They're obviously going to scroll away. So that's why it's important that if you have a bigger page, that all your content is aligned with the content that got you the most followers. And it sounds super simple, but so many people get this wrong. So if you have a big page, recreate your most viral reels. Like, do that right now. Okay? So do that, of course, in your signature style. Now, don't directly repost it, okay? Just slightly change it. There are a couple different ways how you can do it. You can remix reels. It's an option on Instagram where you have to make a small change to it and you can literally post it as a remix. They do good. Or you just make small changes to it, like lower the brightness with 5%, increase the contrast with 5%, like just changes that you don't see. Because then Instagram thinks that it's a new reel, it gets pushed out again. Your followers like it because, they follow you because of that reel. So it's going to have high engagement and then there's a high chance of going viral again. Now, if you have a small page and you don't have viral videos to recreate, just be super consistent with posting one format to get viral videos that you can double down on later down the line. That's what I did over here as well. I didn't really have any viral videos that I could recreate. So I just created my own new posting format. And because I was super consistent with it, reels started to go viral and then I can double down on it later down the line. So when you're starting out, don't be like this page where you post a bunch of random different stuff. Have it like this, where all the content looks like yours. And it's not like some random put together stuff that looks super messy. Okay? Now, there are two possible outcomes, okay? Your page starts to grow again. Awesome. Repeat the cycle. Double down on your viral content. If your page starts growing again, obviously you're going to have a couple of viral pieces of content. You can double down on them later down the line again. You just keep repeating the cycle and that's how you can grow the fastest. That's literally what I'm doing on all of my pages and that's why it works, okay? Now, if your page doesn't grow, which of course can also happen, there are a couple of different reasons for it. First of all, You can have the wrong niche, okay? You can have lack of consistency, or you can just simply have bad quality videos. If you have the wrong niche, you gotta update your market research. So your market research is just basically a sheet of pages that you model, and you wanna model pages that are actually growing. Big pages and small pages. If there are no small pages growing within your niche, it's not a good niche to get into, okay? If big pages are losing followers, it's also not a good niche to get into. So make sure that there are big pages and small pages that are both growing at the same time, then you can go into it, of course. And only model pages and take content from them if they're actually growing. That's super important. Don't model a page that's losing followers. It doesn't make sense, right? So make sure that you do your research like properly. That's super, super important. Now, lack of consistency. A lot of people associate like lack of consistency with not posting daily, but that's also can be wrong, okay? So what you gotta do is if you post a specific format, that you post daily for at least 30 days. So basically, in my opinion, this page, even if he posts daily or 3 times a day, he's not consistent, because all the content is different. What I associate with consistency is posting the same type of content over and over again. So what you need to do is that you need to post daily for at least 30 days in the same format before you make changes. Listen, if your content is not working, of course you gotta change it. Like, don't be consistent for the sake of being consistent, but test things over a month's period of time. Because with just 2 or 3 reels, nothing's gonna change and you don't have data to make good decisions with. So post daily for at least 30 days. After that, analyze it and make the changes necessary, okay? Then, bad quality. It speaks for itself, right? Like, if pages in your niche have better content than you, obviously they're going to perform better. Like, why do people want to watch your content? Probably not, because it's just not good. So you got to improve your editing and designs. It's as simple as that. So go for tutorials, courses, etc. And it also comes down to, of course, being consistent with the same posting format. Because if you post daily, the same format for 30 days straight, your content is going to improve. You know, like, it's just a volume game. The more you do it, the better you get at it. So just make sure that you have the right niche. You know, you post for 30 days at least, the same format. So don't like do different things in between. Test it for 30 days, then after that make changes and try new things if it isn't bringing you the results that you want. Bad quality speaks for itself, just get better at it. Just to quickly summarize it, the main reason why pages are not growing or why pages are stuck is because you don't have a clear brand identity. Your page looks like a bunch of reposted stuff put together. Have a clear brand identity, post the same content format over and over again, and then, of course, later down the line, double down on your most viral reels, recreate them, or at least have content with the same message, because that's the reason why people follow you and they want to see more of that. So I've been doing this for the last 3 years. I've helped countless of my clients get tons, if not millions of followers and make a lot of money in the process. If you would like to work directly together with me, I have a link down below this video where you can schedule a call with either me or someone from my team to explore the possibilities of working together. It's not some random course, by the way. You get direct access to me, my team, my community, and my systems. So that way we can just replicate the results that you can see on the screen as well. If this video was valuable, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.